I'm so lonely.
I am so lonely.
What the hell is that? Look who it is.
I haven't
Look
played
who
like
look who finally
this
decided to
game in
show
a
up,
while.
huh? Wait, why are you so... Okay, I turned you up to 200%.
Wait,
Might have...
why?
Oh, fuck. Okay, speak again.
No.
Okay,
Okay, I'm not actually that close. I'm
I
just close.
okay, sick.
I like the rail gunner because he likes to rail.
I also
Oh.
like to rail. We're not doing this. We're not
Whoa.
doing this.
Hey, hold on.
Come on.
No, I'm going here.
Oh.
I don't have any artifacts, so you.
What's good for her? I don't even remember. Let's do what I have.
These nuts.
Oh, these nuts.
Dude,
Oh.
can you ready up?
I did.
Bro,
Bitch.
why you guys at like half health? Why are we all at half health already? Hey, you know what'd be really funny?
Dude, I don't remember any of the controls.
Neither do I. Oh shit.
Space is jump.
Okay. Oh. Ew, this is so gross. Ooh, what's this? Oh shit.
Ouch. Watch this.
Bitch.
Sick.
Am I gonna die?
That's for you.
How do you run?
Control.
Oh no.
I'm telling you, I have not played the game in a while.
Why is he so damn quiet?
Turn him up.
He's at 200. Oh shit!
Wow.
I was pobbed. And I came back, I'm dead.
Just get
So that's
better.
good shit.
Well, we lost one already.
He's already dead.
Yeah, he tabbed out, which is a mistake.
That's
Bitch,
great.
you're a mistake.
How dare you?
Okay, I'm dying. I'm dead.
Wow.
Good luck.
Maybe we shouldn't play
Fucking
Eclipse.
No, we're playing Eclipse. Don't be a pussy.
Okay.
Just kill yourself.
Jesus.
Okay, I'll
Not
go to the
yet.
boss, like, immediately. Sorry, boss is, because there's gonna be like 5.
Wait, why?
Because I pressed a mountain shrine.
You fucking moron.
Yeah.
Alright.
What if I win, though?
Then you win. Then we come back to life. We're gonna fucking die next round because we're all shit, but...
Uh-oh.
that won't happen. Because you're gonna die.
Oh.
Dude could have warned me.
Warned you of what? We did!
No, you didn't. I was.
Yes, we
literally
did!
talking to my sister. I had no warning.
Bitch, we said ready, like 6 times.
I had no headphones on, stupid.
Yes!
You didn't tell us
So then
this.
how could we have warned you?
You could have waited.
We
can't.
waited 40 seconds.
Yeah. Easy. Men.
Man.
Love men. Love men. Men.
Alright, now I have.
Calm yourself.
Where am I?
Dunno. Where did you go?
I fell off the map.
I'm dead. Dude, the cat literally just made me glue.
There's nothing down here, so I'm gonna just chill for a minute and not die.
You should die in a second, because I need help. Because there are 2 lizards. Like big lizards.
There's
And a gup.
fuck.
Yeah.
As soon as I went up, I got hit.
Pure died.
Oh, fuck. I'm
Alright,
dead.
so,
So
Huntress is
let's,
shit.
let's make it easier.
We're ass.
Let's do something to make our feels self better. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Or feel self better. That sounds like a good word.
Yeah. What if we all win one character?
I don't know how.
Hey, agree. That seems like a great. What?
He
He
doesn't
hasn't
have.
beaten the game?
No, I don't actually try. I don't play the game.
Okay, let's all go loader.
Loser. I don't know how to play loader.
Exactly.
What even is
Well, neither
loader?
do I.
Oh.
I've never played with him.
Her.
Him.
Her?
It's her. Yeah.
Jesus.
That's weird.
He's built.
She's-
Thick too.
Game's easy.
A baby game for babies. Fall damage is doubled and lethal. Too bad we don't take fall damage. This would be really bad for embedded. If you could take fall damage.
You get it? Because he always dies with fall damage. I'm close.
I think I'm gonna do the ignition tank again.
I'm gonna make my boom booms bigger.
Like that. We're gonna get a flying enemy next.
No.
I
please
swear.
don't.
Why
We're
would you
gonna
say
get those
that?
eyes.
Oh my god.
Oh, thank
Okay, I
God.
can do the
Oh,
block
thank
real
God.
Actually, thank God, maybe? Question mark?
We might
Um,
die like instantly.
What are we talking about?
These are really bad.
Oh,
But it's really cool to watch
Oh.
them all die.
Oh my
quick.
God.
Black hole's amazing. There's barely any edge for us to fall off into. So that's good.
You'll
And
still
who-
find a way.
And it wouldn't matter even if we did. Isn't this supposed to be hard?
I mean, my health's kind of not great, but
Well, you're just not great at the game.
okay. Okay. Really? Okay, really?
Yes, really. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Where is my bro? Why? I can't get up there.
It's
I'm
right
gonna
there.
open this box soon. I almost have enough.
What did I get gasoline? Dude. Dude! I can't reach it.
Watch this. I got it.
Give me my gasoline!
I stole it.
Jeez.
Ah,
Oh,
you bitch.
I'm gonna make a really stupid decision. I just picked up shaped glass.
Why would you do that?
It's because I have the most health out of all of us.
True.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh.
It
So
doesn't even.
nice.
It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter.
Yeah, why would you get shaped glass? Everything just dies.
Well, now it dies quicker, and so do I.
black
Apparently.
hole.
True. Dude, black hole's so good.
Black hole.
I need it. What happens if you have two black holes next to each other?
They rip them apart. I don't know.
Do they distribute the enemies
They do a lot
evenly?
of sucking.
Like a dispensary? What are you talking about?
Fuck.
You know what I really want?
Huh. Hold still, bitch.
Yay! Let's go!
What?
Watch this.
What's in it?
No.
I got
No.
shaped glass again.
Oh, you. Ah.
I have 2 shaped glass. Look at my health.
You have two shaped glass?
Oh my
Why?
God.